Standing at the podium for the inaugural of Hyplex 2026, I am excited at the sight of this exotic inaugural cake prepared with the finest ingredient from the plastic world, Doyen Sri Arvind Mehta, and the most committed and dedicated Sri Raju Desai, topped with the attractive icing in the form of the young and dynamic Honorable Mr. Sri Sridhar Babu Garu. Speaking of the cake and celebration, I must acknowledge before all the important guests and industrial present here from across India and abroad that we are indeed enjoying the treat of growth and development by the most liberal and friendly industrial policy of the India youngest and fastest growing state, Telangana. Thank you, Minister Sir, for the uncertain and strong support of the government that has enabled us to make rapid stride up the industrial front, particularly in the plastic sector and reflected in the much larger Hyplex 2026. From a modest beginning in 2007, we have grown stably and fulfilled our purpose of serving as a vehicle for advancement and plastic industry in southern India. The hard work put in my industry colleague over all these years in region behind the mega success, their service and contributor deserve high appreciation. At the previous edition, 2023, we introduced a dynamic game-changing future for industry expos for offering free power, water, and compressed air. To all the exhibitor displaying live working machines, I thanks to TAAPMA for fully backing this idea, which was wholeheartedly welcomed by the machine manufacturing fraternity. I am thankful to TAAPMA for inviting mandate extruded to me, and I congratulate the organization team led by Convener Sri Meela Jaidev Garu for exceeding previous editional achievement by about 40%. Thereby greatly benefited to plastic industry of Andhra and Telangana. My grateful thank goes representative of Telangana government for their unchanged support and representing the national plastic body for their measuring guidance. Wishing everyone successful Hyplex 2026. Thank you.